Day 4 of vibe coding my startup. Alright, guys, I have some very great news. So, if you guys remember from the last episode, none of these things were working. And it was basically because I had to run something in the SQL editor of Supabase. Now, I had no idea how to do this. I tried running it and then it would not just work simply. So, I had to fire up another Claude chat to just get the right kind of code. I pasted it in and just prayed to the gods. Then when I tried to run it, I was very thankful to see that the unit was running. So the first attempt, as you can see, it failed. And what was happening was that it was also showing me that I had captured zero entries, which was just not true. But then I realized today was Sunday. So of course it's going to say that, right? Now I was very kind of like just really confused why something is not working. It was showing me some sort of insights, but it was not giving me like an answer. So it was still some kind of progress, but that progress was not enough for us. So I started running more and more tests. As you can see, it was now giving me insights that were completely unrelated. Like, yes, I remember saving this full-time coordinator wanted for Soho office kind of a role, but again, this was not the insight, right? Like, it's basically just resurfacing of sources, which I would not want to use. Like, personally, if I myself don't want to use something that I have built, like, why would I expect anybody else to do it? So I quickly got to prompting. I was like, look, this semantic search only stuff is not going to work out. We would have to run more things. Then I ran another SQL edit, hoping this time it would work. And luckily, it worked. I was so happy when it worked, because then as you can see, whenever I asked something, it actually gave me an answer, and then it also showcased me what I can do. And I also added this thumbs down button, which if you press, it's going to vanish that answer. So it tells the LLM that, okay, this thing is not working, so just hide this. But you can see that it's sourcing its answer based on the sources given below.